Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You are watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to do final year projects in UG and PG level. I am sharing this video for the sake of thousands of students who are studying computer science and information technology have to do their final year projects. Most of the students are thinking about the title, methodology, tools and other related issues regarding their final year projects. The final year projects are considered as one of the core modules for computer science students and information technology students at UG and PG levels. The final year project aims to let the students to combine and utilize almost all core courses they have studied during their undergraduate journey and to implement the idea using software development tools. Although the projects are mostly individual projects, however, there are cases where group projects are considered as final year projects. When it comes to the action, students face many issues such as what is a proper topic that I can choose, how can I conduct my project, which methodology is good enough for my project, what are the stages that I should go through, what kind of tools should I use, how can I prepare my report, what kind of document should I submit. In the next step, how to choose a project. To choose a proper topic is the first step is doing your project. It is better to choose a topic which is truly of your interest. Also choose a topic where you interested areas such as programming, database, networking, data mining, etc. So choose a topic which is helpful for your future and career as well. The following things make you to choose your project. Interest in topic decides your passion for work. Interest derives your project and related work. You will be eager to know more and more if you are interested in given topic at hand. If you and your colleagues have better resources, use maximum of it. This will help you accelerate the speed of project undertaking. Project cost is the main factor which drives the complete project. First, make sure of costing factor before choosing costly project. Always approach relevant guide who is capable of guiding in the subject you have chosen. Never choose a guide who is not really interested in your work. Do take advice from seniors about him or her. And next step is project planning. After you selected your project work is the project planning. Project plan in a simple format is a document that explains what is going to be done, when it is going to be done, who is going to be done it, where it is going to be done, and how is going to be done. The following questions about project plan. What are the main steps that the project goes through? What is the project timeline? In what time project should be delivered? What is the project quality criteria? How the project would be conducted? And the next step is requirement specification. Although requirement specification is very important in all kind of projects, but in your final year's project it becomes even more crucial. The reason in other projects, sometimes there are some ways boosting the development process. It can be happen by asking more time or more budget or more human resources. But in case of final year project can be applied of these, because the academic period cannot be extended and no one can be added to your project. Therefore, it is highly crucial for you to know what is going to do. So several modules approaches have been designed and introduced for the requirements during past decades in software industry. The following are the main requirements: functional requirements, usability requirements, reliability, performance, supportability. The next step, use case modeling. Use case is the way the user can communicate with the system. User asks to perform function and the system responds to the user's request through a course of action. Use case modeling helps to developers to capture, organize and manage requirements. It is a useful tool in other development stages such as analysis, design and testing. It can be used in users guide, preparing and even in user training process. Next step is database design. Database design plays a major role in application system. DBMS is a software system which manages database construction, update and access control and maintenance. Assume that you are familiar with some DBMS such as MySQL, MS SQL, Oracle, etc. You have to choose DBMS as the database tool for your final year project if you are going to develop a database application. Most of the final year projects are dealing with databases. If your project includes a database or if it is a database application, then you have to design a proper database. However, RDBMS is most popular database both in market and education. Next step is implementation. The implementation phase is the stage that make your system alive. This is the time that you make your system real based on your blueprints which you have prepared during the previous stages. You need to select and utilize an implementation tool. Your implementation tool should be adaptable with your methodology and should be able to support your design material. When you are decided to follow an object-oriented method, you should choose an implementation tool such as Java, .NET, Python, etc. Next step is testing. Evaluation and testing is an unavoidable part of any software and information technology projects. Despite my suggestion on simplification of software development process in our final year projects, I would like to pay as much attention as you can to the testing process. I strongly recommend it is to utilize use cases which you have documented in the analysis phase and the testing phases. Next is report writing. Most of the colleges provide you with a template based on which you would prepare your final year report. You can find a template for the report structure below. However, depending on your specific project, you may revise it. Next, you can see a report structure in the following way. First one is cover page, abstract, acknowledgement, table of contents, list of tables, instruction, methodology, solution, requirement management, analysis, design, user interface design, database design, software design, implementation, testing, conclusion and future work. So that is all about how to do final year projects of engineering college students. Once again, I am requesting you all visitors, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you for visit.